In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Photopea. First, let's begin by navigating to Photopea, which is a powerful online photo editing tool that you can access from any web browser. If you're not familiar with it, Photopea is a great alternative to other popular photo editors, and it's absolutely free and easy to use. Once you're on the Photopea website, the first thing you'll want to do is load up the image you wish to edit. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting Open from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer to find the image you want to work on, select it, and click Open. Once your image is loaded onto the canvas, your workspace is ready for the next step. Now draw your attention to the left side panel, where you'll find a variety of tools. Look for the Crop tool, which resembles two intersecting right-angled lines forming a square. If you're having trouble finding it, you can hold down on the tool icon to reveal its location. Click on the Crop tool to activate it. Now that you've selected the Crop tool, you'll notice rectangular anchor points form around your image. These are adjustable corners that you can click and drag to determine the section of the image you want to keep. Take a moment to consider the composition you want to achieve. Maybe there's unnecessary background space you want to eliminate, or perhaps you want to highlight a particular subject by cropping tightly around it. To adjust your crop, simply click on one of the four corners and drag it inward or outward. Watch how the edges of the selection frame adjust as you move the corners. You're in control of framing here. It's a great opportunity to enhance the focus of your image while maintaining the original quality. Continue fine-tuning the crop by making slight adjustments with each corner until you achieve the desired framing. Ensure everything you want to include in the image falls within the crop rectangle. If you need to reposition the crop area, you can click and drag inside the crop selection to move it around. Once you're satisfied with the new composition, look towards the top of your workspace. You'll notice a confirmation bar. Simply click the check mark to finalize your crop, and Photopea will adjust your image accordingly. Congratulations, the cropping operation is now complete. And that's it. You have successfully cropped your image using Photopea. You can now save your newly edited image by clicking File and selecting Export As to choose your preferred file format. This simple yet effective edit not only improves the overall composition, but can also emphasize the elements that are most important to you. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident using Photopea for your editing needs.